Hello everyone. In this video we'll be solving a past CAT question on logical reasoning from CAT 2017, okay? So the question is simple happiness index SHI of a country is computed on the basis of three parameters: social support S, freedom to life choices F, and corruption perception C. Each of these three parameters is measured on a scale of 0 to 8 integers only. A country is then categorized based on the total score obtained by summing the scores of all the three parameters as shown in the following table. So we have to calculate the SHI that will be computed when we will give scores to three parameters, okay? S, F and C. The scores will be given from 0 to 8 to each parameter and they will be integers only, okay? The scores will be integers only. After that we have to find out the total score, okay, obtained by each and every country, and using that total score we will categorize the countries into these, okay? The following table we have total score 0 to 4, that means the country will be very unhappy. Score of 5 to 8, total score of 5 to 8, that means the country is unhappy. Similarly for rest of the categories. After that, the following diagram depicts the frequency distribution of the scores in SFC of 10 countries: EMDA, Banga, Kela and so on till Zuma, okay? So we have been given the frequency distribution of scores in SFC of 10 countries below, okay, in this diagram. So we have frequency here, scores here. So how to interpret this diagram? See, we have been given scores on the x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4 up till 7, okay. We have been given the meaning of these colors. Blue is denoting S, red F, green C. So frequency distribution of score, that means how many times a score is given. So if I read it for score 1, I can see that we have been given the frequency 2 over here. Red, it is F, okay. So that means to parameter F we can give a score of 1 2 times, or to two countries a score of 1 can be given. Similarly, if we read it for this green one, we have frequency as 1, that means a score of 1 was given to only one country. Similarly, you can read the table for rest of the scores, okay. So in the similar manner, for example, if you read it for score 4 over here, blue is S, okay, and frequency is 3, that means 3 times a score of 4 has been given to S, to parameter S. Then score of 4 has been given 1 time to parameter F, score of 4 has been given 1 time to parameter C. That is how we have to read the table, okay. After that we have some extra information given, which is Amanda and Kela have the lowest total score 7 each with identical scores in all the three parameters. So this is a clue given to us. Next one is Zuma has a total score of 17. After that, all the three countries which are categorized as happy have the highest score in exactly one parameter. So these are the clues given to us. If we read the questions, we need what is Amanda's total score in F, Zuma's total score in S, and then we have these questions over here. So basically we have to calculate scores of these countries in these parameters. So what we'll do is we'll go to the next slide. We will form a table so that we can have a better look at our data. So we'll form a table in which we'll write down the scores possible, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, because only score of 7 is possible. No country is getting a score of 8 in any of the parameters. So in that table we'll writing down all the scores 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We will write down the parameters as well, S, F, C. Then we will write down the frequency, that means to how many countries we can give a score of 1 2 3 up till 7 in different parameters. So let's go to the next slide. So first of all, I'll write down the scores possible. So we have scores 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 possible, okay. We have to give these scores to parameters S, F, C. So I'll write down S, F and C over here. Now I'll fill the table with frequency, okay. So if I go to score 1 and parameter S, score 1, parameter S is not available. That means we cannot give a score of 1 to S, okay. It is not possible. Then score of 2, can we give it to parameter S? No, because there is no blue over here. Do we have a score of 3 possible for parameter? Yes, the frequency is 3, that means 3 countries will be getting a score of 3. So I'll write down 3 over here. Then score of 4, is it possible for parameter S? Yes, again 3 is the frequency, that means 3 countries will get a score of 4 in parameter S. Similarly, we can fill rest of the table. So after filling the complete table, we get this. Now we can solve the first question, which was Amda score in F, okay. So Amda score in F. Let us use the clues given to us. We were given that Amda and Kela jointly have the lowest total score 7 each with identical scores in all three parameters. So that means we need to consider total score of Amanda and Kella in parameters S, F, C. They have a total score of 7 each, okay, and they have identical scores in all three parameters. So let me assume that in parameter S both got X, in F they both got Y, in C they got Z. Now what we'll do is we'll try to give them scores, okay. So we have to make a total possible score of 7. So can we give a score of 1 in S? No, it is not possible. From the table we can see that there is no country which can get a score of 1 in S. Similarly, no country can get a score of 2 in S, okay, but a country can get a score of 3 in S. So let me start by giving a score of 3. This is to Amanda, okay, that means Kella will also get a score of 3. So X is 3. Now the sum of Y, Z should be equal to 4 because the total has to be 7, okay. So 4 can be made in how many ways? By summing up 1, 3, 2, 2 or 3, 1. We cannot take pairs with 0, 4, 4, 0 because score of 0 is not possible. So if we check for the pair 1, 3 over here, let me put 1 and 3. Is it possible? If A is getting 1, 3, C will also get 1, 3. Let us check if this is possible, okay. So can we give a score of 1 in F to 2 countries? So we'll go to the table F and score 1. So we have 2 over here. So yes, we can give score of 1 to 2 countries. So this is possible. Now let us check for C. Can we give a score of 3 to 2 countries? So we'll go to C and check the score of 3, its frequency, okay. So it is 4. So yes, we can give a score of 3 to 2 countries because the frequency is 4. That means 4 countries can get score of 3. So this is a possible pair, okay. Similarly, let us check for this 2, 2. So again A, C, they will get score 3 each, okay. So if they should get 2, 2 over here. So let us check if parameter F we can give a score of 2 to 2 countries. So for F score of 2, we can see that we have only 1 over here. That means only one country can get a score of 2, not 2 countries, okay. Because here we have 2 countries AC, that means we need to give a score of 2 to 2 each, which is not possible from the table. So this pair is gone, okay. Now let us check for 3, 1. So I'll write AC, we already gave a score of 3. Let us check for 3, 1, okay. Is this possible? That means let us check if to parameter F we can give a score of 3 to 2 countries. So parameter F score of 3, we have 2 over here. So yes, this is possible. But let us check for C. Can we give a score of 1 to 2 countries in parameter C? So parameter C score 1, we have only 1 over here. That means score of 1 can be given to only one country. Even this is impossible, okay. So that means when we assume a score of 3 in S, then this is what I'm getting. We can also give a score of 4, okay, in parameter S, because yes, that is possible. If we come to the table, we can see that to 3 countries we can give a score of 4. In that case, the sum of other 2 parameters, that means FC, should be equal to 3. So 3 is possible if we add 1, 2 or 2, 1, okay. Let me check with 1, 2. So can we give a score of 1 in parameter F to 2 countries? So F score of 1, it can be given to 2 countries. So yes, this is right. Can we give a score of 2 to 2 countries in parameter C? So parameter C score of 2, yes, the frequency is 3. That means to 3 countries we can give a score of 2. So even this is a possible pair. Let us check for 2, 1. See, 2, 1 won't be possible. Why? Because then to AC both I will give 2, 1, 2, 1. If we check for C, we can give a score of 1 to only one country from the table, okay. So this is not possible. So only this is the pair possible. Then can we give a score of 5? If we check for S, we will check score of 5. Can we give it to 2 countries? Yes, frequency is 2 over here. That means the sum of other 2 must be 2, okay. So only one pair is possible, which is 1, 1. So can we give a score of 1, 1? Let us check if to F we can give a score of 1 in 2 countries. So F score of 1, we have frequency 2, so that means this is possible. Let us check for C. Can we give score of 1 to 2 countries? No, we can give only score 1 to 1 country in C, okay. So this is not possible. So this is gone, okay. Then with 6 and 7, that means if I give 6, 6, 7, 7, that is not possible because here we'll have 0, 0, which is impossible. For 6, we'll have pairs 0, 1, 1, 0, which is impossible, okay. So we had to give the answer score of A in F, which is 1, okay, in every case. So 1 will be the correct answer to the first question. Let us read second question. What is Zuma score in S? So we need Zuma score in S, okay. We were given a clue that Zuma has a total score of 17. So to Zuma I will give scores in S, F, C, okay. Similarly, like in the previous case, she should have a total of 17 over here. Now Zuma has a total score 17. That means it falls into this happy category, okay, because happy category can have scores from 14 to 19. Zuma has a total score of 17. That means Zuma falls into happy category. So for the happy category, we had a clue given to us. All the three countries which are categorized as happy have the highest score in exactly one parameter. Highest score in exactly one parameter. What does that mean? That means if I gave scores to Zuma in these three parameters, okay. So what is the highest possible score in S? Highest possible score in S, it is 7, okay. In F also we have highest possible score 7. In C we have highest possible score of 6 possible. So if I want to give a total score of 17 to Zuma, I can also use a pair like 7, 7, 3. Yes, we are getting the sum of these three as 17, but is this possible? No, because in this case Zuma is a country from happy category, okay. Happy category country can have highest score in exactly one parameter, but here we can see that in parameter S and F, in two parameters Zuma is getting the highest score, which is impossible according to this clue, okay. So we will remove all such pairs in which we will see that in two parameters Zuma is getting the highest possible score. The highest possible score must be in only one parameter. So let us start giving scores to Zuma, okay. Let me give Zuma the highest score in S, okay. Highest score in S possible, it is 7, okay. So let me give 7 to Zuma. Then in F I cannot give a score of 7. Why? Because then Zuma will have highest possible score in two parameters, so 7 is not possible. Can we give a score of 6 in F? If we come to the table, we can see that a score of 6 in parameter F is not possible. We have a cross over there, so we cannot give 6 here. Can we give 5? Yes, in parameter F the frequency of score 5 is 3. That means 3 countries can get a score of 5. So I will give a score of 5 to Zuma. So I will write 5 over here. So 7, 5 is 12. 12 here she must have 5. Do we have a score of 5 possible for C? For C a score of 5 is not possible. We have a cross over here. So this is gone, okay. So let us check another case. I can give a score of 7 here to S. Now 5 I cannot give in F, okay. So I can give 4. So 7 for 11, I should give 6 over here. Is it possible? See, score of 7 in S is possible. Yes. Score of 4 is possible for parameter F. Yes, it is possible. Do we have a score of 6 possible in C? Yes, it is possible. But now what I can see here is the highest score in parameter S is 7. The highest score in parameter C is 6. Okay. So now here Zuma is a happy country. So it has highest scores in two parameters, which is violating this condition given to us, okay. So this is also not possible. So let us take another pair. Let me give score of 7 here, and instead of 4 I'll give 3 here. So 7, 3, and here I'll give 7. So is this possible? No, because a score of 7 is not possible for parameter C. Even this pair is gone. Then the next possible pair will be 7 to 8, which is impossible because score of 8 is not possible. So that means we cannot give a score of 7 to this parameter S. We'll start with 6, okay. So let me give 6 over here. Then let me give 7 over here. So now 7 is the highest possible score in parameter F. So this C will be 7, 6, 13. This will be 4. So do we have such scores possible? Possible score of 6 in S. Yes, that is possible. Score of 7 in F. This is possible. Score of 4 in C. Yes, this is also possible. So 6, 7, 4 is a possible pair. So after this, if you check other pairs, like here I can only give 6. From 7 now I will come to 6. So 6, 6, 12, I should have a 5 over here. So this pair is impossible because score of 5 is not possible in C according to the table. So if you keep checking other pairs, they will be impossible, okay. Only this pair is possible. So the question was Zuma score in S, which is 6, okay. So 6 will be the correct answer to the second question. Let us solve the third question now. The third question was Benga and Delma, that means BD, two countries categorized as happy. They are happy countries, okay. So that means we'll take care of this clue. Are tied with the same total score. They should have the same total score. What is the maximum score they can have? The options we have are 14, 15, 16, 17. So options are 14, 15, 16, 17. We are looking for the maximum possible scores for both B and D. And they are in happy category, okay. We were given that there are total 3 countries in the happy category. We already know that one of them is Zuma, it has a score of 17. So I have countries B, D, okay. I have country Z already in the happy category having a total score of 17, which we found in the previous question. So I'll write down the score of Zuma as it is, as found in the previous question. It was 674, okay. Now what I have to do is I have to maximize the score of B and D, and they should have the same score, okay, same score in B and D according to the question. What I can see here is there is a clue related to happy countries that they should have the highest score in exactly one parameter. So we can see that Zuma, it has the highest score in this parameter F. That means no other happy country can have highest score in F. Now there are only 3 countries in happy category, which are Z, B and D. So one of them will be given the highest possible score in S, one will be given highest possible score in F, one will be given highest possible score in C. So I have given highest possible score in F to Z. Let me give highest possible score in S to B. So now there be 2 cases possible for B, D, okay. In one case I will give highest possible value in S to B, so highest possible value in C will be given to D. In one case I can give highest possible value in C to this country B. In that case highest possible score in S will be given to this country D. So we have 2 cases possible. I'll go with this case first, okay, when I'm giving highest possible score in S to B. So highest possible score in S, it is 7. So let me give 7 over here. So now we have taken this one, okay, because only one country could be given a score of 7 in S. So that means we have consumed this. We'll cancel this one from the table, okay, because now we cannot give a score of 7 in S to any country. We have already given a score of 6 in S, okay, and there was only one country that could be given a score of 6 in S, so this is also gone. We have given a score of 7 in F, so there was only one country to which we can give a score of 7 in F, so even this is gone. We have given a score of 4 in C, so C score 4, there was only one country available, this is also consumed. So this was a case that I was considering, okay. I have given 7 over here, highest in S to this, that means highest in D will be given to country C. Highest in C is this 6, okay, so I'll give 6 over here, so that means this will also be gone now. So these are the highest, okay. I am putting this circle in green because this is a case, okay. Now according to the question we'll maximize the score, okay. Let me maximize the score of B. So what is the maximum possible score that I can give to B in F? Only score of 5 can be given, okay, so I'll write 5 over here. What can be the maximum possible score that can be given to C? It is score 3, okay, so I'll give 3 over here. 7, 5, 12, 12, 3, 15, so I'll write 15 over here. That means D will also have a score of 15 in total, okay. So to D also I'll try to give the maximum score. What is the score that I can give in this parameter S to D? Over here we only have a 5 possible, okay. Next highest possible score in S is 5, so I'll write 5 over here. 5, 6, 11, I should give a 4 over here. So 15 is possible for both, okay, and this will be the only case that will satisfy because we have considered everything as the maximum over here, okay. Another case possible was that case in which we will maximize the score in C for B and in S for D, okay. You can consider that case, but in that case you will not get any answer. So this is also done. 15 will be the correct answer to the third question, okay. Let's solve the last question now. If Benga scores 16 and Delma scores 15, then what is the maximum number of countries with a score of 13? We did something similar to this in the third question as well. We saw that Delma, Benga, they were scoring maximum 15, okay, when they were scoring equal. So we'll take the same situation, okay. So this was the situation with us according to question number 3. In the fourth question, we have been given that B scored 16, D scores 15. We have to find out the maximum number of countries that can score 13. So B scoring 16, D scoring 15, they will fall into this happy category. Already we have Z who was falling into happy category. So in question number 3, we were having a score of 15, 15 here, okay. Now we want to make the score of B equal to 16 and score of D equal to 15. So For happy countries, we had this condition that they will have highest score in exactly one parameter. So for S we have highest score over here, for F we have highest score over here, and for C we have highest score over here. So yes, they have highest score in exactly one parameter. So now I will try to make score of B equal to 16. Let me check the values that I have already used. Okay, so for S I have used 6, 7 and 5. So for S in the table I have used 6, only one person can be given 6, so this is gone. I have used 7, only one person can be given 7, this is gone. I have used 5, so two people can be given, two countries can be given 5, this is gone, only one country remains. Now I have to increase the value in B to 16. Okay, so can I increase this 5 to 6? No, it is not possible because score of 6 is not possible in F. Okay, so this will be 5 only. Can we increase this 3 to 4? Because then only we'll be able to make the total score equal to 16. So can we do that? No, we cannot make it 4. Why? Because in C only one 4 is possible. Okay, and that has been used by this Z over here. Okay, so even 4 is not possible over here. So increment in S is not possible, increment in F is not possible, increment in C is not possible. That means we cannot make total of 16 using these scores. Okay, so this is wrong over here. So in this case what we were doing is we took this person as B. Okay, now let me take this person as D, because D is scoring a total of 15 and there was a 15 over here. Okay, so I'll take this as D, this as B. Okay, now I need to make the score of B equal to 16, so I have to make an increment of 1 in these scores. Highest possible for S is over here, highest possible C is over here. So the values in circles, they cannot be increased. Let us try to increase these two. Okay, 5 and 4 over here. So if I want to increase this 5 to 6, is it possible? In S we can give only score of 6 to one country, and that is Z over here. We have already done that, so this cannot be increased to 6. This will remain 5 only. Okay, can we increase this 4 to 5 over here? In F, if we check score 5, it can be given to 3 countries. Okay, one of those countries is D. So yes, I can increase this to 5. Okay, so now 5, 5, 10 and 6, 16. So B is scoring 16 over here. So this is a case that satisfies. So we will answer using this case. Okay, now we have to find what is the maximum number of countries that can score 13. We have used some scores, so let us cancel them from the table. From S we have used 6, 7, 5. Okay, so 6 can be given to one country, this is gone. 7 can be given to one country, this is gone. 5 can be given to two countries, one country is gone, so 1 will be left. Now in F, 7, 5, 5 has been given, so 7 is gone. 5, 5, that means two countries have been given 5, so we'll cancel 3 and write 1 over here because two countries are gone. Okay, then in C, 4, 3, 6 has been given, so 6 will be cancelled because we have only 1 over here. Then 4 and 3, so 4 can be given to only one country, this will be gone. 3 can be given to 4 countries, so one country is over here, so this will be 3 now. Okay, we need to find out how many countries can have a total score of 13. So how can we make a total of 13 over here? C, from C the maximum score that we can give it is 3. Okay, the score of 3, so I'll write 3 over here. In C we need to give scores in S and F. That means sum of these two should be 10 now. So for 10, the maximum value available in S, it is 5 over here. Okay, only one person now can be given 5, so this will be 5, this will also be 5. Is this possible? Yes. 1, 1 and 3, yes, this is possible. SFC, so there's only one country because now these are also consumed. Okay, so there is only one country which can be given a total score of 13. Okay, 1 will be the correct answer to question number 4. Let us check if any other country can be given a score of 13. No, because now the highest possible score available in S, it is 4. So 4, 4 and here we have 3, maximum 11 can be made. So 1 will be the correct answer to the fourth question. So this is a very good set. Questions 1, 2, 3, they can be solved very quickly. 4 is a case based question. If it takes more time, you can even leave this. So I hope the explanation was understood. Understanding the relation of frequency and scores, interpreting that table, that is very important over here. Okay, because parallel to assignment of scores, we have to keep making changes in our table as well, that how many people can be given a particular score. So if you still have a doubt, please comment. Thank you.